Hello everyone, welcome back to SaaSpace Pro. Hope you all are doing great. Today we are going to talk about Meta AI. With Meta AI, starting from image generation, we can convert an image into a video and even generate a completely new video. Let's go and explore Meta AI. First, open a browser. I am going to use Google Chrome, but you can use any browser such as Edge or any other browser you want. Now, let's go to Google Chrome. Make sure you are logged in to your account. Then, click on the search bar and search for Meta AI. You will see the first link, that's the official link of Meta AI. Make sure you are clicking the official link. Okay, so now we are at the interface of Meta AI. We have to log in first. I have already 2 accounts of Meta AI here, but you can log in with Facebook, Instagram, your email address or your mobile number as well. So for now, I am going to log in into my account. I am going to choose any one of these 2. Let's go for the second one. Okay, yes. So now I'm logged into my account. This is the interface of Meta AI. Now I'm going to the chat box and this is the plus icon. I have to click this create option. After enabling this create option, I will write a prompt here. Okay, so I pasted a prompt. I already written this prompt earlier and I pressed enter. So it is going to take some time to generate the images. Yes, as you can see, Meta has generated 4 images for me. I gave the prompt of a cat playing in nature. So the Meta AI has given me these 4 generated images. They are looking so cute. Okay, so if I select this picture, let me just go through this 4 picture one more time, and I think I like all 4 of them as well. So let me just select this one. Yes. Okay, so if I click on animate, let's see what magic happens. Yeah. This Meta AI is going to convert this image into a live video. Yes, as you can see that the image has been converted into a video. Isn't it so cool? Meta AI animated the picture into a video. The video is looking very realistic, isn't it? Amazing. Now we can try to generate just a video. So far we generated a video from an image. Let's see how I can generate a video without an image. So I'm going to copy a video prompt. After copying this, I'm going to paste it in my chat. Okay, now hit enter. Okay, then again it's going to take some time to generate the video. Yes, so finally it has generated 4 videos for me. Let's see those one by one. I like all of them, to be honest. All of them are very cute. All of them looks realistic. Okay, now you might ask something that, can I add motion blur? Can I add motion or motion quality into a picture? Yes, we definitely can. For that, we are again going to hit the plus icon here and then select an image. Let's say I'm going to take this image. This is the image of a beautiful girl, as you can see. Now we are going to add motion in this picture. For this, we are going to give another prompt, paste it in our chat and then hit enter. Okay, so it's going to take some time again to render. Okay, yes. Finally, it has generated a picture with motion. Isn't it so nice? We can also add music and restyle this image. So for music, you can see at the right, click on add music. If we click on add music, then we can choose different kinds of music from here. There are some suggested music, there are some trending music, and there are some music that we saved earlier as well. So let's go in the trending section and just select a music that we like. Okay, not this one, not this one. Let's go for this one. Okay, let's hear this out. From here, it sounds good. Let's just move forward. Okay, yeah. Yes, it sounds good to me. Let's hit apply. Okay, so it's going to get applied into our video. It is going to take some time to process. Okay, finally generation complete. Now we can hear this out by unmuting the video. Cool, right? Now we can also restyle it if we want. You can see that at the right side there is a section called restyle. I want to add a style in this video, so how about this one? So you see that Meta AI has restyled this entire generated video as well. So yes, that was it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you liked it, and also comment if you are facing any problem. I will try to sort it as soon as I can. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.